I don't think we'll listen to anything, because right now I'm receiving quite a lot of these reports. Some are even pledging to say we'll give you money so that you don't kill the elephants. The number is not sustainable, and we believe in sustainable use as a country. But because of these pushes from regional bodies, scientists included, we can't keep on watching. We can't leave people dying of hunger when we have got overpopulation of elephants which are destroying their own habitats, elephants which are destroying habitat for other animals, elephants which are causing erosion, elephants which are destroying everything and killing people.